The most popular budget compound bow isn't always the best. That's what everyone assumes, but it's rarely true. A lot of these cheap options look the same online, but once you start shooting, the differences hit you hard. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, SNTXMY 360 degrees Thumb Release. First up is the SNTXMY Bow Release, a thumb trigger release aid priced under $30. What caught my eye was the 360 degrees rotatable head and automatic jaw closure, which promises smoother, more consistent shots. It's made from one-piece aluminum alloy, so it feels solid in hand, and it's compatible with both compound and recurve bows. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable sensitivity lets you fine-tune the trigger pull to match your shooting style, whether you're a beginner or someone with a few seasons under their belt. The auto-close jaw means less fumbling and more confidence when you draw back. With over 1,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with archers who want reliability without spending $100+. Plus, it handles up to 100 pounds of draw weight, more than enough for most hunting and target setups. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of reviews and the replace but not repair warranty. Honestly, that's a real concern. If it breaks, you're getting a new one, not a fix. But given the low price and solid build, most users aren't treating this as a lifetime tool. It's more of a try it and see kind of buy. If you're okay with that trade-off, it's still a smart move. This is perfect for you if you're new to compound bows and want to upgrade from finger release without spending big. Skip this one if you're a serious hunter who needs field repairable gear. For under $30, it's a solid value, especially as a backup or training tool. Product number 2, AHOSOTLY Bow Tuning Scale. Next is the AHOSOTLY Bow Scale, a digital tuning tool for just $9.49. It's not a bow itself, but if you're serious about accuracy, this little gadget is a game changer. It measures draw weight up to 110 pounds with high-precision strain sensors and has both peak lock and hold modes. If you want to dial in your bow's performance without guesswork, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Tuning your compound bow can make or break your shot consistency. This scale lets you measure peak weight and holding weight accurately, crucial for adjusting cams and limbs. The LCD display supports multiple units, pounds, kg, Oz, G, and the tare function helps zero out slings or accessories. With 500+ sold recently, it's clear that budget archers are investing in precision. Plus, it doubles as a luggage scale, so it's not just for the range. Now the downside, it's not built like a professional rig. Some users report that rough handling can throw off calibration and the plastic housing feels a bit flimsy. Also, no reviews yet means we're flying a bit blind. But for under $10, it's hard to complain. Just treat it gently and recalibrate often. This is perfect for you if you're tuning your own bow or maintaining multiple setups. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade durability or already own a high-end scale. For the price, it's an unbeatable tool to improve your shot. Product number 3, Generic 10LB Training Bow Set. Now, if the last two were accessories, this one's an actual bow, the Generic 10LB Compound Bow Set for just $16.99. It comes with a bow, 10 arrows, and a paper target. Made from stainless steel and polymer, it's lightweight and ambidextrous. If you want a real compound bow for under $20, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most budget bows skip the arrows or use flimsy parts, but this includes everything you need to start practicing. The 10LB draw weight is perfect for beginners or kids, easy to pull back but still gives you that real compound feel. The 9-layer polymer board adds durability, and the compact 10-inch size makes it great for backyard use. With 400+ sold, it's clearly filling a gap for ultra-low-cost entry points. Now the flaw, it's not for serious shooting. The plastic components and low draw weight mean it won't handle hunting or competition. Some users say the arrows feel cheap and the target tears easily. But again, this isn't meant to replace a $500 bow. It's a training tool, not a weapon. This is perfect for you if you're introducing someone to archery or need a safe, low-power practice bow. Skip this one if you're over 18 and serious about hunting. For $17, it's a fun, functional starter kit. Product number 4, TrueFire Patriot Wrist Release. Alright, that was a solid starter bow. But if you're ready to step up your release game, the TrueFire Patriot is next, a wrist-style release aid with no listed price but high demand. Made in the USA, it features a 360 degrees rotating head, adjustable trigger, and durable steel mechanism. If you want a reliable, ambidextrous release that won't quit, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Wrist releases offer more consistency than handheld models because they reduce finger torque. The adjustable trigger lets you set the exact sensitivity you need, and the Velcro strap fits snugly without slipping. Whether you're left or right-handed, the rotating head adapts instantly. With 1,000 plus sold, it's a favorite among budget-conscious archers who still want quality. Now the issue, no price listed, is a red flag. It could jump at checkout. Also, some users say the strap wears out after heavy use. But TrueFire is a trusted brand, and the Made in USA build quality usually holds up. Just keep an eye on the strap over time. This is perfect for you if you're transitioning from finger shooting and want a smoother release. Skip this one if you prefer thumb releases or need ultra-lightweight gear. It's a smart upgrade for the price. Product number 5, TITHEKNOT 25LB Hunting Bow Set. Finally, the TITHEKNOT Compound Bow Set, a 25LB draw weight bow with stainless steel construction for just $12.99. It includes 10 arrows and target paper, and it's ambidextrous. If you want a stronger, more durable budget bow that still costs less than lunch, this is worth a serious look. The stainless steel build feels solid, and the included arrows are better quality than most sub-$20 sets. It's not pro-level, but for backyard practice or light hunting, it's shockingly capable. With only 100 plus sold, it's under the radar, but that could be a good thing. Now the catch, the lack of reviews and brand recognition is concerning. Also, at 25 pounds, it's not ideal for beginners. It requires some strength to draw consistently. And the blue hexagonal air model name sounds like a typo, but if it performs as advertised, it's a steal. This is perfect for you if you're an adult looking for a step up from training bows without spending big. Skip this one if you're a kid or have weak draw strength. For $13, it's a risky but potentially rewarding buy. So which one's right for you? The SNTXMY release if you want better shot control. The AHOSOUTLY scale if you're tuning your bow. The generic 10LB set for total beginners. The TrueFire Patriot for a reliable wrist release. And the TITHEKNOT if you want a functional hunting bow under $15. None are perfect, but each fills a real need, and that's what budget archery is all about.